Hi, hello, welcome family. A review of mCaffeine Moment, a delightful addition to my morning routine. Item form premium kit, set moment gift set, brand Caffeine. Product benefits rejuvenating, skin type all. Introduction. As an avid coffee lover, I'm constantly on the lookout for new and exciting ways to incorporate my favorite beverage into my daily routine. When I stumbled upon mCaffeine Moment, I was intrigued by the promise of a unique coffee-infused skincare experience. After using the product for several weeks, I'm delighted to share my thoughts and experiences. First impressions. Upon receiving my package, I was immediately impressed by the sleek and modern packaging of mCaffeine Moment. The product comes in a stylish container that exudes elegance and sophistication. The branding is minimalistic yet eye-catching, and it instantly piqued my interest. Additionally, the product was securely packaged, ensuring that it arrived in pristine condition, texture, and fragrance. Upon opening the container, I was greeted by the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee. The fragrance was invigorating and instantly put me in a good mood. The texture of the product is luxurious and creamy, gliding effortlessly onto my skin. It's not too thick or greasy, making it perfect for daily use. I particularly appreciate how easily it absorbs into the skin, leaving behind a subtle coffee scent that lingers throughout the day. Effectiveness. I was pleasantly surprised by how effective mCaffeine Moment is at hydrating and revitalizing my skin. After just a few applications, I noticed a significant improvement in the overall appearance and texture of my complexion. My skin felt smoother, softer, and more radiant, with a healthy glow that lasted throughout the day. Additionally, the caffeine-infused formula provided a subtle tightening effect, leaving my skin feeling firm and rejuvenated. Link in description. Ingredients and sustainability. One aspect of mCaffeine Moment that particularly impressed me is its commitment to using high-quality, natural ingredients. The product is free from harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Furthermore, I appreciate the brand's dedication to sustainability and eco-conscious practices. The packaging is recyclable, and the ingredients are ethically sourced, ensuring that I can feel good about using this product. Value for money. While mCaffeine Moment may be slightly pricier than some other skincare products on the market, I believe it offers excellent value for money. The quality of the ingredients, coupled with the noticeable results it delivers, make it a worthwhile investment in my skincare routine. Additionally, a little goes a long way with this product, so a single container lasts for a considerable amount of time, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. Final thoughts. In conclusion, I couldn't be happier with my experience using mCaffeine Moment. Not only does it provide an indulgent skincare experience, but it also harnesses the power of coffee to nourish and revitalize my skin. From its luxurious texture to its invigorating fragrance, every aspect of this product speaks to its quality and effectiveness. I would highly recommend mCaffeine Moment to anyone looking to elevate their skincare routine and indulge in a little coffee-infused luxury. Link in description. Like and subscribe. Thanks for your watching.